G'day there all, Chris here with just some improvements that I'm working on today, which is a Sunday of all times, but that's okay. I went out and bought a label printer, and I've spent the last week trying to connect it to a different computer. So I've got the trusty old Mac here and we've got it all connected. What I'm doing is I'm printing out some labels that we can label our steel wheel weights on. So I've taken photos of the actual wheel weight, and then uploaded it to the Dymo app on the computer and printed out these labels. So we've got you know, different sizes with the photos. So I'm going to get some storage boxes at some point and label them up, and then have a 2-bin system for our wheel weight so we never run out. The other good thing with the label maker is I've actually started to label all our chemicals. So this tells us what it is: Septone spray and white. It's for the kitchen. And there's actually a QR code there, so if anyone needs to look at the safety data sheet, if it gets in their eye or something like that, they can quickly scan that and go straight to it. Work in progress. It takes a little while to set up, but in the long run, it'll be much easier, less struggle, and we won't run out.